Hi guys, and welcome back to Solo English TV. Today we are going to be talking about the first in a new series of English riddles. English riddles. So what is a riddle? A riddle is a question or a sentence that has a problem we need to solve, like a puzzle. And today's riddle has the question, what am I? What am I? So let's listen to the riddle and see if you can guess, what am I? What am I? Are you ready? Here we go. I have a head and a tail, but I don't have a body. What am I? I have a head and a tail, but I don't have a body. What am I? So now I'm going to give you about 10 seconds to think of the answer. Okay, are you ready? Here we go. That's right. I'm a coin. I'm a coin. If you see a coin, on one side of the coin we have a head. If you turn the coin over, we call this side the tail. And the coin has no body. So, I am a coin. Let me know in the comments below if you got that riddle correct. And also, you can comment below and tell me if you know any English riddles that will help us practice English. That is it for today, guys. Thanks so much for watching. And don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed today's riddle. Also, subscribe to the channel if you're new and you would like to learn English with me every day. And I'll see you next time. Goodbye.